What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 5 attractive hobbies that all guys should try. These hobbies are not only enjoyable, but they also make you more interesting and attractive to others. So, if you're ready to step up your game, let's get started. Fitness. Let's face it, no one wants to date a couch potato. Staying fit and healthy not only shows that you're disciplined and committed, but it also makes you more attractive to others. So, whether it's lifting weights, running, or practicing yoga, find a fitness routine that works for you. Photography. If you're looking for a hobby that's both artistic and adventurous, then photography is the way to go. Not only will you capture memories that will last a lifetime, but you'll also meet new people and explore new places. Cooking. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cooking is for girls. Right? Wrong. Cooking is not only a great way to impress your date, but it's also a great way to impress your friends and family with your culinary skills. Plus, who doesn't love a man who can cook? Traveling. If you're looking for a hobby that's both exciting and educational, then traveling is the way to go. Not only will you learn about different cultures and see new places, but you'll also step out of your comfort zone and try new things. Painting. If you're looking for a hobby that's both beautiful and calming, then painting is the way to go. Not only will you express your creativity and relieve stress, but you'll also create beautiful artwork that you can display in your home or give as gifts to friends and family. And there you have it, guys. 5 awesome hobbies that will help you challenge yourself, impress your date, and give back to your community. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and try something new today.